Gentrification is a complex process that changes the economic and social makeup of a neighborhood. Let's break down how it works. At its core, gentrification is the process where a lower-income area sees an influx of wealthier residents and new commercial development. As demand for an area grows, property values rise, which often leads to higher rent and tax burdens for existing residents. This shift is usually driven by a mix of public city planning, private investment, and changing lifestyle preferences among urban professionals. It is important to distinguish between normal neighborhood evolution and gentrification, which is often characterized by rapid, disruptive economic displacement. This chart shows how home values can climb sharply once an area becomes a focal point for real estate redevelopment. Policymakers often struggle to find solutions that improve neighborhoods without forcing out the people who lived there first. Understanding these economic forces helps us better grasp how our cities grow. Thanks for watching, and remember to look into local policy.